In this video I'm going to show you how to export a SVG file in Canva. Now as you can see, we have created an image with a logo of YouTube and the subscribe text. Now we would like to export this image as an SVG file. So the next step will be going to share, then click on download, and here we can select the file type. So open the list and after that navigate to SVG and select it. Then you can also select the transparent background and select that. Then click on download, and as you can see it will be downloaded as an SVG file. Now if I double click on the image, we have successfully created an SVG file in Canva. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.